Hello there, welcome to this video. This is Sam Watson from love-the-pips.com. Welcome to another trading video. This video is titled How I Make Money Forex Trading. With a lot of my videos on my YouTube channel, there is no script. Sometimes I go, sometimes there are pauses because I'm not following any script. I'm just kind of talking. And recording myself and trying to teach you something. I do have sort of a script for this video. I wrote some notes down. It took me 5 or 10 minutes or so. There are certain things I want to make sure I cover in this video, hence my notes. But it may be throughout the video I'm looking down here just to have a look at my notes. So I do apologize for that if I have to stop now and then and just make sure I'm covering all the notes that I wrote, covering all the content, saying what I wanted to say for this video. So how do I make money trading Forex? First of all, I remember someone saying that there's no right or wrong way to trade Forex. And that is right, but that's a correct statement. But it does need clarifying, because if you're not making money trading Forex, if you're losing money consistently instead of making money consistently, then you're doing something wrong. You're not trading right. I believe the statement is referring to those who are profitable. If you can make money, if you are making money trading Forex, then it doesn't matter how you're trading. There is no specific right way to trade profitably. There are a number of ways you can make money trading Forex, and in this video I want to share how I make money trading Forex. I'm not going to go into great detail about strategies, but rather I'm going to teach you how I develop my strategy and how I look at the market and how I make money trading Forex. And hopefully as this video goes on, the title of the video and what I've just said will make more sense. So going back a number of years ago, and to keep things very short, I'll try and be quick and brief. I started trading stock CFDs. I had an account with a CFD broker. They offered stocks and shares. What I would do is just buy random stocks. I would day trade stocks, and guess what? I didn't really make any money. I kept losing money. And I think I was on a demo account at the time, but it was just really difficult to make money. There was no structure to what I was doing. I was just buying random stocks. I wasn't really looking at charts or anything like that. And I was losing money, but that's not a surprise. But after a while, after looking at the rises and fallers each day of UK listed stocks, I noticed, and this is an important part of this video, and you'll hear this phrase, I noticed, a number of times. I noticed that a lot of stocks that were down, 99% of stocks that were down, that were the biggest fallers for the day, it was driven by news. And what I noticed was, if there was unexpected negative news about a particular company, the following day, so we had the day of the news event, obviously there was that initial reaction where price fell. The following day, the sell-off would continue. So it was hard for me to get on unexpected news. I didn't have some great news software. I was just new at trading. I didn't really know what I was doing, but I knew that I could read BBC News perhaps once an evening. If there was negative news that day, the following day I would short sell that particular stock or look for opportunities to short sell. And that's what I did. I had this simple system in place. I looked for negative news, unexpected negative news about a company listed on the UK Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange. When that news came out, the following day I looked to short sell. And it was quite a simple strategy, and it worked, and it made a bit of money. But I noticed that the broker that I was trading with also offered currencies. So I moved into that. That interested me more, Forex, but I didn't make any money. I then moved into indices, and once again, I created this simple strategy with trends. I noticed that indices trended a certain way. You obviously have the swings, and I was looking to get on swings. So I'd identify a trend using a moving average, look for certain setups on a retracement, and look to get on potential trends. And once again, it made a bit of money, but I was so undercapitalized, and the return of the strategy wasn't really that great that I was never really going to make much money doing that. So either I had to really significantly increase my account size or develop a strategy that provided a much better return. So I moved back into currencies, gave that another go, and I spent about a year, maybe longer, maybe 18 months, maybe shorter. It was so long ago I can't really remember, but I spent a good deal of time, pretty much 9 till 5 every single day, studying the charts and looking at price action, seeing how price moved, looking at patterns and all sort of things, trying to come up with a way to trade Forex. And at the same time, I was reading books, I was watching some YouTube videos. I was never that big with YouTube, but this was a number of years ago. There wasn't as much Forex trading content, 7-8 years ago as there is today. So I watched some YouTube videos. I read some books like Market Wizards and other books. And just to clarify my point earlier in this video, Market Wizards, you have a bunch of traders who are being interviewed who all make money trading Forex, and stocks and shares and futures. They all trade different things. They all make money, but they all have a different approach to trading. And that's what I mean when I say there's no right way to trading, as long as you're making money. If you're making money, you're doing something right. If you're not, you're doing something wrong. So I read books and all of this, but what I noticed with Forex, and looking at certain patterns, is things happened over and over again. So I'd spend time studying charts, looking at price action for the day. This is a US dollar Japanese yen 4-hour chart. I would look at potential moves. There's a big move here, and I would question the move. Was there any opportunity to get onto this move before it happened? Was there anything that suggested I could have joined this move when it happened? And bringing up a pen, what's the best way to do this? I've got a pen down here. There's a horizontal channel here, so I look at that and identify the channel and see if there was a way I could join or go short within that channel to get on the potential move down. So I look at channels, and I would just spend a lot of time looking at moves. There's a big bullish move here. Was there any opportunity to get on this move? There's another horizontal channel here. Some sort of trend support. Was there an opportunity to get on this move? So I look for ways to join a trend or join a potential move up. I was looking at price action, seeing if it could signal moves before they happened. So to get long before there was a big move up, to go short before there was a big move down. And that's what I did. And what happens when you look at charts over and over again is that you start to recognize certain things that happen over and over again. You start to recognize patterns that form almost daily, weekly, monthly. You identify channels and certain setups that just seem to work over and over again. I don't mean 100% of the time, but more than 50% of the time they work. A pattern appears and then price moves in the way the pattern signaled. And that's what I did. So going back to my stock trading days, very short-lived stock trading days, and going back to trading indices, I had to create some sort of system. I've always traded some sort of system, come up with some sort of strategy, whether it was the negative news with stocks, whether it was trading trends with European indices, and with Forex, looking to get on potential big moves. I had to come up with some sort of system to allow me to join these big moves that incorporated these patterns that I had seen happen over and over again, that incorporated perhaps indicators. I don't use indicators, but it could have incorporated indicators that I saw were pretty reliable, that signaled price movement, that incorporated certain setups that I'd seen happen over and over again, certain Japanese candlesticks. And that's what price action trading and creating a trading plan is all about. It's identifying something that happens over and over again. Like just here, there's a head and shoulder pattern. We have the head here, we've got one shoulder and then another shoulder, and price is coming down. How can you join that head and shoulder pattern? What could you do to get on this head and shoulder pattern and get on this move down? So these things happen over and over again. It's all about creating a strategy around that. So my basic strategy since the beginning that I've been trading for several years is all about identifying a trend, identifying horizontal support and resistance levels, and then identifying certain setups at those levels. And that's the foundation of what I do. And the reason I do that is because it works. I've seen it happen for years now. I continue to trade like that today. It continues to make money. Now, the interesting thing about price action and being a trader is even today, after all these years, you notice things that you didn't notice before, certain characteristics of price that do appear over and over again, and that you can develop more strategies. So even now I develop new strategies around things that I'm noticing perhaps this year, certain candlesticks or certain patterns, and I look to create a strategy to trade those things as they appear. Hopefully that makes sense. I get concerned that sometimes I'm not as clear as I should be and that I struggle to explain myself. I guess to summarize what I've taught, I look to create a system, a set of rules that I can follow that incorporates, that takes into consideration price action of things that I've seen happen in the past that have been profitable. Once I develop that strategy, I backtest it, I make sure that it is profitable, that it's worked in the past, and then I just start trading that in the present and plan to trade it in the future. And it makes money. Let me just look at my notes just to make sure I haven't missed anything off. For me, trading is all about taking the emotion out of trading. If I don't have some sort of structure, some sort of trading plan, strategy, system, then I start trading on emotion. And when you trade on emotion, guess what? You'll lose money. Trading Forex and make money trading Forex is about eliminating emotion or lowering emotion as much as possible. Having a set of rules that you can follow that have been profitable in the past and are likely to be profitable in the future. And that's how I make money. I study the charts. I don't have loads of indicators. I don't really pay much attention to the news that's going on. I look at the charts. I look for certain things that fall in line to the strategy that I have in place, the system I have in place. If it's there, I trade it. If it's not, I don't trade it. And you should be able to see that from my live trading videos. I'm looking for the same thing day in, day out. Some of these trades are losing trades, some of these trades are winning trades, but overall I make money, and that's what it's all about. I hope this video helps. I really appreciate your support. If you have any questions about anything I've said in this video, just drop me an email, samuel@love-the-pips.com, or you can leave a comment or your question in the comment section below, and I'll reply to you. I check the comments at least once a week, so I'll reply. I reply to all the comments, questions. So if you have anything, put it down below. Thank you for watching. Thank you again for watching my video. I am doing another book giveaway. I have a number of trading books that I'm giving away. They're all books I've read, so they are secondhand. They belong to me. If this is new to you, if this is the first time you've heard about this competition, please watch my previous video or go to my blog on my website. So this is the website address. Go to the blog and find this post, Forex competition book giveaway. There is a search bar if you can't find it. and then have a read of this, and it will tell you what I'm doing. So to enter this video's competition and to win one of these books of your choice, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, I'll post it to you. It doesn't matter if you're in the UK, the rest of Europe, the States, South America, Asia, Africa, wherever you are, I'll send a book to you. Now, the way to enter this competition is to simply like the video, and then in the comment section below, put hashtag Forex Trading. So like the video, hashtag Forex Trading. If you win, I'll pick a winner at random. You can choose one of these books, and like I said, I'll post it to you. The winner from the last competition has already been chosen. I've contacted that person. I'm just waiting for them to choose the book, and I'll post it to them. So one of these books is likely to be crossed off. You'll just see a line through it by the time the winner is announced from this competition. So I will contact the winner of this competition probably in the next week or two. So to join the competition, your chance to win one of these trading books, just like the video, and in the comment section below, type hashtag Forex Trading. Thank you so much for watching.